7-Eleven, you stop there for a pack of cigarettes. Don't smoke, don't even want to. Hey now, check your change. Dressed up like a car crash. The wheels are turning, but you're upside down. You say when he hits you, you don't mind, because when he hurts you, you feel alive. Oh no, is that what it is? Red lights, gray morning, you stumble out of a hole in the ground. A vampire or a victim, it depends on who's around. You used to stay to watch the adverts. You couldn't sing to the talk shows. And if you look through me. And when you talk, it's not to me. And when I touch you, you don't feel a thing. If I could stay, then the night would give you hope. Stay, and the day would keep its trust. Stay, and the night would be her love. Far away, so close, up with the static and the radio waves, with satellite television. You can go anywhere. Miami, New Orleans, London, Belfast and Berlin. And if you listen, I can call. And if you jump, you just might fall. And if you shout, I'll only hear you. If I could stay, then the night would give you hope. Stay, and the day would keep its trust. Stay with the demons you drown. Stay with the spirit of our stay, and the night will be enough. Oh, 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 oh. 3 o'clock in the morning, it's quiet and there's no one around, just a band and the clatter as an angel runs to ground. Just a band and the clatter as an angel hits the ground.